Hey everybody, Tim over here at St. Paul GM Power, bringing you another Tech Tip Tuesday video. Today's video is going to be on wheel lock keys and the importance of wheel lock keys. It's very, very important to have a set of wheel lock keys for your vehicle, just because when wheels like these cost around $700 plus for a vehicle, each individual wheel, it's a good idea to have a set of wheel lock keys because it prevents people from being able to steal the wheels, and they're also extremely easy to use. You just take the key that you have and you just stick it on and you'll feel it actually lock into place. And you can grab your tire iron and you take it off just like a regular lug nut. So it's very simple, but these keys are vehicle specific, and they're actual wheel lock key specific. So you want to make sure you never lose this key, because this key is very important because it only works with this exact lug nut. So, and we stock these at all times at St. Paul. You can come in and get yourself a set, and they're really, really easy to install, and it's a good peace of mind to have on your vehicle. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, please give us a call at 636-931-0055, and you can always make a service appointment online at stpaul.com. Thank you.
St. Paul GM Power.